MRR are reduced by how much amount in the presence of the oxide film? A 10, B 30, C 50, D 70. The correct answer is 50. What are the tolerance values obtained in the ECS process? A 0.003 mm, B 0.013 mm, C 0.023 mm, D 0.033 mm. The correct answer is 0.013 mm. The chemical reactions occurring at electrodes are called with which of the following names? A. Anodic reactions, B. Cathode reactions, C. All of the mentioned, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Amount of mass dissolved is directly proportional to which of the following quantities? A. Amount of electricity, B. Frequency of vibrations, C. Amplitude of oscillations, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is amount of electricity. Chemical equivalent is the ratio of which of the following factors? A. Workpiece valence to the atomic weight, B. Atomic weight to workpiece valence, C. Tool valence to molecular weight, D. Molecular weight to tool valence. The correct answer is atomic weight to workpiece valence. Which of the mechanisms combine to form this hybrid process of ECS? A. Electrochemical dissolution, B. Mechanical scrubbing, C. Electrochemical dissolution mechanical scrubbing, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is electrochemical dissolution mechanical scrubbing. What is the full form of ECS in the advanced machining processes? A. Electrochemical superfinishing, B. Electrochemical scribing, C. Electron cluster scribing, D. Electron cluster superfinishing. The correct answer is electrochemical superfinishing. How much amount of Ber is produced in the process of ECS? A. 10, B. 20, C. 50, D. No Ber produced. The correct answer is no Ber produced.